Yoga for calves. This video is designed to improve the strength and flexibility of your calf muscles. You wouldn't believe how much messaging I get about tight calf muscles that are very, very hard to loosen for runners. So this is a part of our Yoga for Runners and Athletes series. This is our final installment, day 3. Okay, you can go back and you can watch hamstrings or back legs, inner thigh and groin, and this is the calf. So let's get started. So we will start in a standing position. Hip bones, kneecaps, and toes are all in one straight line. Getting into that mountain pose position, drawing your belly in, lifting your chest, opening your palms, and then turning them in toward you as your chest lifts and your upper back muscles, those rhomboid muscles, begin to squeeze. Squeezing your front thighs, your hip bones are turning back and towards you, glutes are squeezing. Starting in that mountain pose position for 3 breaths. Muscles are squeezing, about a 3 on a scale from 1 to 10. Okay, not exhausting your muscles, just activating them. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release. Now taking your hands to your hips, heel toe your toes together, sending your hips down and back, turning your tailbone down, hip bones towards you, kind of in a chair pose position, weight back into your heels. Now bringing all your weight over to your left leg, you're going to press your toes forward, and you're going to bring them back for a 6 count. 1, 2, as many times as you can, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent job. Switching out. Weight into your right leg. Sitting down and back. Your knees are bent into that chair pose-like position. Shoulders are back. Stretching out your left leg. Flexing, dorsiflexing, and bringing your toes in and out for 6. 1, 2. Focusing your eyes for balance. 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent job. Bringing your body to that mountain pose position. Shoulders are back. Drawing your belly in. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Muscles are still squeezing. Inhale. Exhale. Stepping back with your right, dropping down to your knee. Both hands down, getting into that tabletop position, drawing your belly in. Now walking your hands from underneath your shoulders, probably about 6 inches, getting prepared for a downward dog position. Drawing your belly in, sending your hips up toward the sky, and rocking your knees out like you're riding on a bicycle, stretching your heels down. 2 for a 10 count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretching your heels down, drawing your belly in. 9. Pressing your chest back. 10. Excellent. Now dropping down to both knees, sending your right leg back, and I want you to press that heel back behind you, and I want you to press your chest forward over your hands, and then push back. 1 for a 6 count. 2, pressing back. 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now pressing your heel backward, toes into the mat, and lift your knee, drawing it into your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, dropping your knees down, then switching out. Left leg press into the mat, pressing that heel back. Now pressing forward, drawing chest over hands for a 6 count. 2. Pressing back. 3. Pressing back. 4. Pressing back. 5. Almost there, pressing back. 6. Now continue to press back and lift that knee up, drawing it into your chest, pressing your heel back. 2, 3, for that 6 count, pressing your hands into the mat. 4, almost there. 5, and 6. Release, dropping down to both knees. Excellent. Now you can take a pillow or a towel and you can put it back onto your calf muscles, and you can sink back on your hips, allowing a pillow or towel to kind of massage your calves. If you have that flexibility, you can sit all the way back onto your heels, placing your fingertips underneath, giving that little massage to your calf muscles for a 5 count. Inhale, exhale. Shoulders are back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, weight back into your heels or bottom back on your heels. Inhale, exhale. Trying to keep your spine as straight as possible. Release. Bringing your body forward into a tabletop position. Knees are hip width distance, walking them out. Drawing your belly in, taking your hips up toward the sky. Now I want you to step forward onto your right leg. Taking that right leg as straight as possible. Left heel pointing back behind you, drawing your belly in. Now taking your toes, stretching them up toward the sky if you have that flexibility. Drawing your belly forward, taking your right hand or your left hand and pulling your toes back towards you, feeling that stretch in your calves and leg. Inhale, exhale. Finding your balance, you can get a block for your left hand. Inhale, back as flat as possible. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Drawing your belly in. Inhale, exhale. Release, pressing your foot down. Now stepping your back foot up to meet the right or left to meet the right. Now stepping the right back, sending that heel back behind you, drawing the belly in. Front leg straightens as much as possible. You can have that slight bend or micro bend as we call. Don't lock the knees out, turning your toes up toward the sky, taking that same side hand, bringing your toes towards you. Inhale, exhale. Try to level your hips. Don't let one hip be farther back or farther forward than the other. Drawing your belly in. Inhale, exhale. Back is flat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time. Inhale, exhale. Release. Pressing forward. Now dropping that back knee down as you bend your left knee, pressing your hips forward as much as possible. Both hands onto your left knee as you press your hips forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Inhale, exhale. Release, bringing your body forward, walking your toes out, trying to get that knee in line with your ankle. Taking your hands to your hips, we're going to lift that back heel, lift that back leg by stretching that back heel back toward the wall. Inhale, exhale, stretching that back heel toward the back wall, lifting into that high lunge position. Inhale, exhale. Back leg as straight as possible. Inhale, sending your arms up toward the sky. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release, bringing your body forward. Now stepping up, your right to meet your left. Now stepping back with your left, dropping your knee, pressing your hips forward as much as possible. Knee over your toes in this low lunge or dragon pose position. Lifting up, flexing your back toes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release, walking your toes forward, knee stacked on top of ankle, lifting your body up, both hands onto your knee, kicking that back heel back behind you as you lift, pressing your hips forward. Inhale, taking your hands up toward the sky, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Release, bringing your body down forward, dropping both knees into that tabletop position as you step both knees back. Now your toes are into the ground, knees and ankles are touching. Now you can take another pillow again, and you can bring it back by your knees as you're going to sit your glutes back onto your heels this time. Really stretching the bottom of your feet and also getting that compression onto your knees by taking your hands and pressing them underneath or a towel or a pillow. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Find a different position, any spot that is sore, press your fingers there. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Getting back into that tabletop position, swinging both knees towards your left side, pushing yourself onto your bottom, lying flat onto your back, pulling your knees in towards you. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing them away. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your knees away. Inhale. And your knees in towards you. And exhale. Now stretching out your left and your right. Relaxing your shoulders and your chest onto your mat for the Shavasana position. And breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your shoulders, your hands. Feet are splaying out toward the sides, left and right. You can widen your heels as much as you want to, but just relax your body. Tucking your chin slightly to make the back of your neck long. No more squeezing. No more stretching. Relaxing. Breathing as normal as possible. Feeling your chest rise on the inhale and fall on the exhale. Allowing your body to be heavy into the ground. Relaxing. Inhale. Exhale. Now you can stay in that Shavasana position as long as you would like. Continue to breathe and relax. Let the practice assimilate into your body. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that I can continue to make more videos like this and continue to improve. So your suggestions and comments are very, very welcome to help me improve my channel and continue to spread the holistic healing practice of yoga for all walks of life. I am Carl Bright. This is Yoga with Soda. Thank you and namaste.